In the next 3 years, around 30% of your company's profits will not come from a new product, a smarter strategy, or a brilliant CEO. It will come from a piece of software that costs less than your monthly coffee budget. This is not hype. This is not a theory. This is the silent takeover of AI-driven accounting, and it's already happening across global finance, including emerging markets like Nigeria and developed markets or advanced economies such as the United States, Canada, Australia, and the UK. Right now, the real competition isn't between companies. It's between companies that adopt AI fast and those that hesitate, because if you don't adopt it, you are guaranteed to lose to someone who does. The world's top firms are already modeling a 30% reduction in operating costs, alongside a dramatic drop in their cost of capital. That combination alone can unlock a massive jump in company valuation. But there's a catch. And buried inside this model is a dangerous risk almost no one is talking about. And if you find content like this valuable, deeply researched, future-focused, and designed to help you stay ahead of global tech trends, consider subscribing to Cypher Logic, sharing this video, and following the channel. It's how we continue to bring you high-quality insights on technology, finance, and the systems shaping tomorrow. To understand how this works, we need to start with a simple problem inside modern accounting. Most finance teams are drowning in busy work. On average, accountants and finance analysts spend over 70% of their week doing 3 things: manual data entry, reconciling transactions, and fixing human errors. None of this work is strategic. None of it directly grows revenue, but it is very expensive. Every hour spent manually matching invoices or correcting spreadsheets inflates operating expenses, and higher operating expenses mean lower net income. This is the time sink problem, and it's exactly where AI steps in. The so-called 30% profit boost doesn't come from magic. It comes from automation, broken into 3 very simple changes. First, automated reconciliation. AI systems now connect directly to banks, payment platforms, and accounting ledgers. They match thousands of invoices and payments instantly, flagging mismatches in real time. Work that used to take junior analysts days now happens in seconds, without fatigue, distraction, or human error. Second, predictive forecasting. Instead of relying on spreadsheets and educated guesses, AI analyzes millions of historical data points at once. It generates real-time forecasts for cash flow, expenses, and revenue with far greater accuracy. This means fewer surprises, fewer last-minute scrambles, and fewer bad decisions made with incomplete information. Third, real-time auditing. This is the biggest shift, especially in regulated markets. Instead of discovering problems at the end of the quarter, AI flags compliance issues or suspicious activity the moment a transaction happens. Accounting moves from reactive cleanup to continuous protection. When you combine these 3 changes, something powerful happens. That 70% of wasted time disappears. Operating expenses fall sharply, and human finance teams are freed to focus on strategy, planning, and decision-making. That's the first layer of the 30% boost. But if this was only about saving time, it wouldn't be a revolution. It would just be better bookkeeping. The real power shows up in company valuation. To understand that, we need to talk about something called the weighted average cost of capital, or WACC. If you're not a finance professional, think of WACC as a hurdle. It's the minimum return a company must earn to satisfy investors and lenders. Higher risk means a higher hurdle. Lower risk means a lower hurdle. Here's where AI changes everything. AI doesn't just cut costs, it cuts uncertainty. With real-time forecasting and constant error detection, cash flows become more predictable. And to investors and lenders, predictability equals safety. In finance, safer businesses get cheaper money. Lower risk allows companies to borrow at lower interest rates. It also lowers the return demanded by shareholders. When both of those fall, the company's WACC drops. And here's the critical insight. In valuation models like discounted cash flow, WACC is the discount rate. A lower discount rate makes future profits worth more today. That means the same company, with the same revenue, can suddenly be worth far more just because its financial risk has decreased. When you combine a 30% reduction in operating expenses with even a small drop in WACC, the result is explosive. A 2-point reduction in WACC alongside cost savings can drive a 15 to 25% increase in enterprise value almost instantly. That is the real financial model behind AI accounting. And this isn't theoretical. Major global auditing firms have already moved from sampling transactions to auditing 100% of transactions in real time. Mid-sized companies are slashing invoice processing times from hours to minutes using AI tools that cost less than a single employee. The adoption is already underway. So how do you start without blowing up your entire system? The answer is simpler than most people think. First, clean your data. AI doesn't fix bad information, it accelerates it. Before deploying any system, companies must ensure their ledgers are accurate and structured. Garbage in still means garbage out, just faster. Second, start with reconciliation. Don't automate strategy first. Automate the most repetitive manual bottleneck. This delivers immediate return on investment and builds trust in the system. Third, train humans, not just machines. The future finance professional isn't a data entry clerk. They are an AI supervisor and decision maker. The real advantage now lies in interpreting outputs, not producing inputs. But now we reach the part no one wants to talk about. The model is sound, the numbers are real, the gains are massive. But hidden inside this system is a new kind of threat, AI-driven financial fraud. Your autonomous accounting agent isn't just good at matching invoices. It's also capable of generating them. If a single AI system is compromised, attackers don't need to manually create fake transactions anymore. The AI does it for them, creating realistic vendors, approving invoices, and pushing payments faster than human systems can react. This isn't traditional fraud. It's automated fraud at machine speed, and that means security can no longer be optional. Any serious AI accounting deployment must use a zero-trust approach, strict access controls, and constant monitoring of AI behavior, not just human behavior. Without that, the same system designed to save money can wipe out value overnight. So here's the real takeaway. AI accounting can slash operating expenses by 30%. It can reduce financial risk, lower the cost of capital, and dramatically increase company valuation. But it must be deployed deliberately, securely, and intelligently. The future of finance doesn't belong to companies that resist AI, and it doesn't belong to companies that deploy it blindly. It belongs to those who understand both the upside and the risk. If this breakdown helped you understand where finance is headed, subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies reshaping money, markets, and power. Because what's coming next will make today's AI revolution look small.